This next song, a lot of you know, maybe. It's called Step Off. I need some audience participation. I want you to say the word step off on the count of 3. Step off, ready? 1, 2, 3, say step off for me. And then on the count of 3, I want to say fuck off. 1, 2, 3, fuck off! Now, when I sing that shit, I want you to sing it back to me. Is that cool? We can do that, all right. This is cool. This is kind of nice. We're going to work this in it. All right, that was kind of cool at first, but seriously, I know you guys can do better than that. Jesus, come on! All right, I'm gonna sing this kind of crap here in a minute, and I want you to come back into it full force. Come on! Sheesh. Who doesn't like to say the word fuck? Say it again! One more time now, ready? 1, 2, 3, fuck! All right. This is kind of a breakup song, by the way, which I did today. So, not that it has meaning, but you were never perfect for me. I was never perfect for you. You were never perfect for me. I was never perfect for you. Step off, let you go now. Leave me alone. Let you go now. Leave me alone now. All right, we're gonna keep this going for just a brief second here. Who's got a drink? Okay, because I have short-term memory, I just want one thing. Can you guys tell me who we are? I'll be honest with you. Can you guys say it one more time for me? I want to have a big head when I leave here tonight. I thank you. I'm getting all giddy. I think I have a chub. I don't know what that means, but it's cool, I guess. All the kids are doing it nowadays.